66 million years ago, a catastrophic event marked the end of the dinosaurs. The Chicxulub comet impact is widely believed to be the cause. But what if there's more to this story? What if the narrative of Prophet Nuh, peace be upon him, holds clues to this prehistoric mystery? Welcome back to Space Farmers. Today, we're diving into a fascinating intersection of science and faith. We'll explore new discoveries about dinosaur extinction and how they might connect to the story of Prophet Noah, peace be upon him, and the Great Flood. Let's begin. The comet impact theory suggests that a massive comet struck the Yucatán Peninsula, creating the Chicxulub crater and causing widespread devastation. Recent studies have uncovered more details about this event, including the immediate aftermath and its long-term effects on Earth's environment. Scientists have found evidence of massive wildfires, tsunamis, and a nuclear winter effect that drastically cooled the planet. These factors combined to create an environment inhospitable to dinosaurs. But could this cataclysm also be linked to the narrative of Prophet Noah, peace be upon him, and the Great Flood? The story of Prophet Noah, peace be upon him, is a significant part of Islamic tradition. According to the Qur'an, Allah sent a great flood to cleanse the world of sin, sparing only Prophet Noah, peace be upon him, his family, and pairs of every animal species. While this story is often viewed through a religious lens, some researchers suggest that it could be rooted in real events. Could the flood narrative of Prophet Noah, peace be upon him, be a collective memory of the same cataclysm that wiped out the dinosaurs? Geological formations and fossil records indicate that the Chicxulub impact caused massive flooding and environmental changes. Recent discoveries show that these changes were even more dramatic than previously thought, possibly aligning with descriptions of a global flood.
The fossil record provides substantial evidence of rapid sedimentation and flooding events following the impact. This could explain why ancient cultures remembered such a significant flood.
While the scientific community largely supports the comet impact theory, the idea that it might also be linked to the narrative of Prophet Noah, peace be upon him, adds an intriguing layer to our understanding of history. In conclusion, while the comet impact remains the primary explanation for the dinosaur extinction, exploring its potential link to the narrative of Prophet Noah, peace be upon him, opens up new avenues for understanding our past. Could the story of Prophet Noah, peace be upon him, be a distant echo of the cataclysm that ended the age of dinosaurs? As we continue to uncover new evidence, we may one day find the answer. Thank you for joining us on this journey through time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Share your thoughts and theories in the comments below. Until next time, keep exploring.